Sometimes we receive data that is already pivoted, but it is not an Excel pivot table, rather just a plain range. Just like this data of world population, downloaded from World Bank. Today, we will learn to unpivot this data, and then create a proper pivot table from that unpivoted data, in MS Excel, and Power BI. Starting with MS Excel, select the range, which contains the columns you want to unpivot. We need all years in one column, and all the values in another column. So instead of 62 columns with years, we will end up with 2 columns, one for years, one for values. Once the columns are selected, go to the Data tab, and select the From Table/Range option. In the Create Table prompt box, press OK. This will load data into Power Query. In the Power Query, select all the columns that you want to unpivot. Once the columns are selected, go to the Transform tab. Now, press the Unpivot Columns button. Now all the years columns have been unpivoted, and there are only 2 columns, one with the list of years, and one with the corresponding populations. Now, go to the Home tab, and press Close and Load button. This will load data into MS Excel spreadsheet. Using this new unpivoted data, you can create a proper pivot table for data analysis. He can add fields to rows area. You can add fields to columns area. And you can add value fields to values area. You can rename the row and column headings. You can format the value fields. All these features are available if the data is converted into a proper pivot table. You can insert a pivot chart with a single click. To unpivot data in Power BI, first import data into Power BI, using the Get Data feature. From the Preview window, press Transform Data. This will load the data into Power Query. Press the Use First Row as Headers button. Now, select all the columns you want to unpivot. Go to the Transform tab, and press Unpivot Columns button. This will unpivot the 62 columns into 2 columns. Make sure that the years and values are in numeric format. Go to the Home tab, and press Close and Apply button. This will load data into the Power BI. Let's create a dashboard from this data. Insert a text box to create a title for the dashboard. Now, insert a line chart to show the world population. Add the value field to the y-axis and the attribute field to the x-axis. Add the country name field to the dashboard. This will create a map chart. Change it to a slicer. Now you can view the population of individual countries by selecting their name on the slicer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates.